Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Use the following command to install the necessary build tools and libraries. By running the following command, we move into the source directory where we'll download the software. Use the following command to fetch the Suricata source code archive. Run the next command to extract the downloaded archive to access the source file. Move into the newly extracted directory. By running the following command, you will run the script, which will check your system and prepares the compilation. The next command compiles the code and performs a full installation, which includes the binary default configuration file and rules. By running next command, we check the system path to confirm where the Suricata binary is located. The next command displays detailed information about how Suricata compiled. If you prefer the prepackaged version for easy updates, use the following steps. Run the next command to add the official stable repository to get the latest verified version of Ubuntu. Refresh the packages list to include the new repository. And run the next command to download and install Suricata using the package manager. The next command ensures Suricata starts automatically whenever the system boots up. By running next command, you will stop the servers temporarily to make configuration changes. Use the following command to open the main configuration file in the text editor. Inside the config, we enable lib rule swapping so we can update rules without restarting the engine by adding the next lines. Use the following command to fetch the latest free detection rules. Next command shows us all available rule providers we can subscribe to. By running the following command, you will run a test on our configuration file. With everything verified, we can start the engine with the next command. Finally, check the status to ensure the services is active and running with the next command. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.